He sings for all his female co-actresses. Huh? I'm telling you, he's never sang for me.
Always.
You're not supposed to say that.
चलो शुरू करते हैं.
This is Pallavi.
Hi Pallavi.
Natural background जो Zoom पे मिलता है हमको.
Nice.
Will you be my best friend, please?
Pallavi, yes.
Hello. आपकी वीडियो स्टक हो गया. Hi everyone, I'm Pallavi and welcome to the 7th episode of Bollywood Zoomies with Pallavi. And today I have one of TV Town's most beloved and adorable couple, Dheeraj Thupar and Vinny Arora. So let's go talk to them. Dheeraj and Vinny, welcome to Bollywood Zoomies with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi. My first question to all my guests is, are you guys wearing proper pants?
Proper pants?
Yes.
Oh yes, I'm in the shorts since morning.
Are you wearing pants or not?
I am today, luckily, thank God, when I'm actually wearing jeans. Your Maldives vacation looked like something out of a catalog. एक ही question है. This is a serious question that I've had, huh? कौन picture कौन खींच रहा है? It's not hot couple pictures. कौन खींच रहा है?
All the friends were asking the same question.
ये मतलब this has been मतलब जनता जानना चाहती है.
जनता जानना चाहते हैं.
Shall we tell you the secret? Shall we tell you the
Yes,
secret?
please.
Pakka? So we had a photographer with us that time.
Okay. चलो.
Yeah, so that was it. But then also all credits of all the creativity goes to him.
Thank
He's
you.
the one. Like if we are at a beach, he'll be like, okay, this is a nice spot for a picture. Let's take a picture here.
But Dheeraj, for you, who have been quite busy, of course, with Kundli Bhagya, and you even stepped in for Nagin.
I was looking for that kind of a change actually. I was looking to do something like that since long, and I'm happy that Ekta considered me for Nagin 5, and people appreciated it. They loved my character, the look, the performance, everything. Even I wanted it to be a bit longer than it was. So but that was a storyline and all. But hopefully in the future also, I would love to do something like that again.
I think it was very sexy, and how much he enjoyed playing it. Like I would watch his scenes, and I'm like, you're having so much fun. I can tell.
I love playing.
So that was amazing.
Vinny, I have to ask you, मतलब जनता जानना चाहते हैं ये. When are you coming back on screen?
Honestly, soon, hopefully soon. We have Pati Patni aur wo season 2 lined up firstly, so that's a good news. But to be very honest, I have been picky. I have been slightly laid back also. I'm having a little too much fun being the housewife, so it's my comfort zone now.
If given a choice, you would pick Vinny as your partner in which serial you've done so far?
First, I will pick her for Zindagi Ka Hai Smile Please, which I did on Life OK. That was kind of a character which she can pull off really well. And the second one, I can pick her for Sasural Se Marka also,
So guys, now we have a segment called Yours Virtually, where I kind of make my guests do tasks that we're used to doing in real life, but we have to do it like this because pandemic chal raha hai. So are you guys ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Yeah.
Yes.
So first one is, it's a quick game. It's called 5-second rule. You guys have 5 seconds. It's between the both of you. So I'll decide who wins. Okay, you guys have each 5 seconds to name 4 movies with the word hum in it.
हम दिल दे चुके सनम, हम आपके हैं कौन है, हमको तुमसे प्यार है, हम. I said it.
I said hum.
No, I said all. हम तुम, हम, हमको तुमसे प्यार है, हम दिल दे चुके सनम, हम आपके हैं कौन. I said it.
हमको तुमसे प्यार है कौन सी movie?
Now, Vinny, you get to redeem yourself. Chalo, you have to reveal one of Dheeraj's most annoying habit that you find annoying.
I can't say one. That's for real.
Choke.
One annoying habit is Vinny. He'll go on and on. Vinny, where is this? Vinny, where are you? Vinny, where is Oreo? Vinny, where is my this thing? Vinny, did you see this? Vinny, watch this. Vinny, come here. Vinny, sit with me. I keep hearing my name so many times. I'm like, what is this, Vinny? He's like, I'll call you something else then maybe. That will help.
Okay, Dheeraj, now next task for you is, you have to copy or imitate Vinny.
Better do it nicely.
So whenever I'm busy with my phone or doing some business meeting or something, she's always, you don't love me, na? You don't love me, na? You don't love me, na? नहीं पहले पूछी दो. Always.
You're not supposed to say that.
Vinny, you have to propose to Dheeraj.
I married, the Prince Charming that I wanted to marry. I married someone I truly, truly loved. I married the first love of my life, and I think I'm very, very lucky. And today, if I have to propose to you, I want to tell you that you're an amazing dog dad. You're an amazing husband. You're a wonderful son and a brother, we know. You're amazing. You're an amazing son-in-law to my parents, and I really appreciate that. And obviously I didn't see that, I just fell for the person that you are, but I'm glad that all this came along. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you, and I want you to be the father of my kids and have a happily ever after. Okay, fine.
Dheeraj, now since Vinny so sweetly proposed to you, now Dheeraj, you have to sing for Vinny.
Sing for Vinny.
Yeah.
He sings for all his female co-actresses.
Cool.
I'm telling you, he's never sang for me.
Chalo. Now is the
Sing.
chance. Now is the chance.
I'll just sing 2-3 lines. I don't know the song much, but that is our song. We always call it our song. So, कहता है पल पल तुमसे होके दिल ये दीवाना, कहता है पल पल तुमसे होके दिल ये दीवाना, एक पल भी जाने जाना मुझसे दूर नहीं जाना, प्यार किया तो निभाना, प्यार किया तो निभाना.
अरे too good. Amazing. अब final task है. If you had to pose for a family picture right now, what is your pose? You have to show us.
Oh no, it's very difficult now. In a family, there is a dog. So to pose with him, not that way, but if it's just the both of us, then it's...
Arre, so cute, you guys, so cute. Anyways, Dheeraj and Vinny, thank you so much for taking your time out from your valuable weekend.
Thank you so much, and take care of yourself. Yeah.
Yes. Bye, guys.
So until next Tuesday, make sure you guys like this video, share it with your friends so everybody knows that this is happening, and subscribe to our channel.